Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a Ford Bronco with cardboard. First, gather your essential materials. You'll need several large cardboard sheets, a sharp utility knife, and a protective cutting mat. Don't forget hot glue for strong bonds, masking tape for temporary holds, and a reliable ruler for precise measurements. Having detailed Ford Bronco blueprints or reference images will guide your build, ensuring an accurate and impressive final model. Now, let's move on to constructing the main frame. Begin by carefully cutting out the large body panels for your Ford Bronco from the cardboard sheets, following your blueprints. Use hot glue to firmly assemble the base chassis and the primary side panels. It's crucial to reinforce all critical joints with additional cardboard strips. This step ensures your Bronco model has a sturdy and durable structure, ready for further detailing. With the frame complete, it's time to bring your Bronco to life with intricate details. Craft the iconic front grille, realistic headlights, and distinct wheel wells from smaller cardboard pieces. Don't overlook the finer touches, such as door handles, side mirrors, and even a spare tire cover. For an even more authentic look, consider painting your model or adding textured elements to mimic the real vehicle's surfaces. These details truly make your cardboard Bronco stand out. For the final touches, carefully secure any remaining parts and double-check the entire model for stability. If you're feeling ambitious, you can even add interior elements like seats, a dashboard, or a steering wheel to enhance realism. Once complete, find the perfect spot to display your impressive cardboard Ford Bronco. It's a fantastic project that showcases your creativity and craftsmanship. Remember to check the description below for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.